Enscape released its 4.1 version this week. The main feature is the Building Performance module, also known as Enscape Impact.
How good exactly is the Enscape Impact? Now, it's a beta version and you could expect glitches. However, I tested it on one of my projects, and I must say, it's an amazing tool to integrate sustainability in your designs and analyze how energy efficient it is. Don't forget, it's not a one-time analysis, guys. This module is integrated directly into the Enscape viewport, meaning it's doing all the work real-time as well. I absolutely love where the Enscape guys are going with this, and from the reviews, it seems like the full version will have a lot more to work with.